Hi there, my name is Kev and welcome to my channel ElectroScott. This video is 5th video of Arduino series, and throughout this Arduino series we learn about Arduino basic to advanced. And if you watch this Arduino series all episodes, and you will able to make your own Arduino based project. In 4th video we learn how to analog input works and also show serial monitor tool in Arduinoide with potentiometer example. If you have not watched that video, so I give the link of that video is in the description. Anyways, here in this video I will show you how analog output aka PWM works and show one LED brightness control example. I request you to watch this video till the end. If you have missed any part of this video, then you will not be able to know how this PWM works. So let's get started. PWM, it means pulse width modulation. With the help of PWM pin on Arduino, we are able to generate analog output at digital pin. For example, control the brightness of LED, controlling the speed of DC motor. So guys, you may ask, how this possible? How digital pin generate the analog output? So guys, as we know, digital pin gives output either high or low. So in this case, the high means it's provide 5 volt and low means it's provide 0 volt. So if I control the brightness of LED, then we need voltage between 0 to 5 volts, like 1, 2 or 3 volts. Then how to generate this type of voltage using digital pin? So to understand this, we show some graphical representation of PWM. So this is a graphical representation of PWM. Then this graph show us output of Arduino digital pin and also show how the voltage vary. So let's see first graph. In this graph, this y-axis, this graph show us output voltage of Arduino and this x-axis show us time period. In PWM, this time between two green lines is 2 milliseconds in Arduino. Then we see this black line at the bottom means at the 0 volt. It means that the LED pin is off, means it provides 0 volt continuously. That means connected LED to pin is continuously off. So this about first graph. Then let's see second graph. In this graph, this is one time period. In this complete time period, the digital pin is on for some time, then after is off. It means it's provide 5 volt for some time and after some time it's provide 0 volt. In output, we able to see the voltage is near about 0 volt, but it's not 0. That means our LED connected to that pin is low at low brightness. In next graph, it gives output voltage. It gives output voltage higher than previous condition. So that pin generate voltage lower than the 5 volt and higher than the 0 volt, but not 5 or 0 volt. Let's say it's generate 2.5 volt. So the LED is glow with slightly high brightness. In fourth graph, the time of on period is more compared to off period. So that means the pin generates voltage near about 5 volt, but it's not 5 volt. So again, the LED is glow with a slightly high brightness compared to previous condition. In last graph, we can see the black line at the top means at 5 volts. That means the LED pin is on, means it provides 5 volt continuously. It means connected LED to pin is continuously on. The LED is glow with full brightness. So the conclusion is we can take analog output from digital pin by varying the width of PWM signal. Note here, Arduino Uno have some PWM pin and the pin name is D3, D5, D6, D9, D10 and D11 are PWM pins of Arduino Uno. So how this works? Then let's first of all open the Arduino software and click on File, click on New and maximize this window and erase all the sketch. Here first initialize variable and give it a name as LED pin and give pin name as 3. Here declaration of variable is complete. So let's jump to the setup section. So here I write void setup. So the LED is connected as output and that output available to digital pin D3. So I write pin mode in the bracket LED pin comma output. The setup section is complete. Then let's jump to the void loop. Here I write void loop. Then I write for and again initialize variable and give it a name as I. In for condition, I write command analog write and in the bracket I write LED pin comma I and write a command delay and give it a value as 10. Again I write for and again initialize a variable and give it a name as a J. In this for condition, I write analog write command and in the bracket I write LED pin comma J and write command delay and give it a value as 10. Here analog write is a command. That command generates various voltage level at the output. So in this for loop, variable I value goes 0 to 255 and in this for loop the value of J is goes to 255 to 0 and this process repeat again and again. So overall our LED connected to digital pin D3, its brightness go to maximum and then go to minimum level. Here our programming is complete. So connect your circuit as per circuit diagram. Link of the circuit diagram is given in the description. After connection is complete, then let's connect an Arduino via USB cable to PC or laptop. After connecting Arduino to PC or laptop, then after click on File, click on Save and give it a name as LED PWM. I save this file to desktop. Then after click on Tool and select a board type as Arduino Uno and select your COM port. Mine COM port is COM18, so I select COM18. Then after click on Compile button. Here we can see our compilation is done. Then after click on Upload button. Here we can see our uploading is done. Then let's see our programming on Arduino in action. So here we can see the brightness of the LED first go high to low and then low to high level according to our programming. As always, the part list, schematic and the code link is in the description. If you know more about Arduino electronics and projects, then check out my channel. The channel link is in the description. So this is all about today's video. If you have any doubt, then comment me out. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos. Until then, stay creative and I will see you in next one.